everybody, it's Carol. I'm going to do a video for you now. I just came back from the beach. I went to the beach dressed like this, my leggings that have pockets. They have pockets on both sides. I put my phone and my keys and I'm free. And I walked in the water and I sat on the sand and it was good therapy for me. So anyway, let me show you a few things so I could put these things away. This is a portable ironing board. It is a portable ironing board. I mean, it's thick, it's got mesh, it's got a slot for the finger, and your hand goes in here, and then you keep your clothes on the hanger, and then you put this behind the hanger, and then you iron it or steam it, whatever you want to do. Isn't that cute? Ooh, it's so cute. Very handy. This, I think I got these in Dollar Tree. They were, they're very rubbery. They're like vinyl or something. But, and this is kind of like foamy. But I like these kind of bags because you could see what's in it and you don't have to go fumbling, opening everything. You could just like put these in your room or in your office, wherever, in the car, and you could see what's in it. Of course, it won't keep it sanitary because it has got holes, but you know, you use your own discretion what you're going to put in it. But very cute, right? Okay, these are my lights. This costs $9.99. This is a 16-foot LED strip light. I'll put the link down below for you. I got it on Amazon, and I just buy the 16 usually, and I can decorate everywhere. I just decorated the kitchen with it. Look at that. I love these. I have LED lights everywhere. It's easy to put up. It's cheap to run, and it looks beautiful. It just gives you the ambiance that you want. Let's see. Oh, I bought this. Real Techniques Miracle 2-in-1 Powder Puff and Travel Case. Let's see. Let's see. How are we going to open this? There it is. Okay. There you go. Okay, this is the case. And it's got a mirror. Look at that. Oh, and this is nice. Oh, this, okay, this is foamy over here. And then this is like a velvet powder puff. So one side is like those puffs, and one side is like the sponges. Ooh, that's very nice. And you could, of course, you could interchange it and go this way. And let's see. Let's put some powder. Elf powder. Perfect for this. See? If it's too much, just tap it. And I usually put it right there. I never powder them under my eyes, though. I powder here, not my cheeks. Very nice. And it's kind of thick and chewy feeling. I like it. Okay, now we can toss this. Travel case included. Side one is for powder, side 2 is for liquid. Best-selling sponge material. Blends liquids, concealers, and creams. Travel case with mirror for keeping your look fresh and set anywhere. And you know, you could put your product on here. Like put your powder and then put it away. Carry it with you and then just touch up if you need a touch up. Very cute, right? Okay, this is called Lip Boost. And it is microderm needles for your lips. It's sealed tight, so it's a tiny micro needle, microderma roller, very tiny. So, goes in there, and that's it. It's supposed to be for your lips. And it has serum. It's filled with serum. Personal serum delivery beauty device. It's a 0.25. Oh, okay. I want to get another one, 0.5. So it says, take off the lid, put the roller out of the cartridge, drop some serum into the cartridge. Oh, look how cute. It's so cute. Oh, there it is. Okay, those are the needles. Okay, you fill this up with your serum. That's beautiful. Now, they say it's for the lips, but I don't do my lips. If they're talking about your lips, I would do here, all around, and over there. That is really cute. Love this. Okay, this is a sunscreen applicator, a silicone sunscreen applicator, which I haven't figured out this yet. Open the lid, take out the roller ball, squeeze sunscreen in, apply after putting roller ball back. Okay, let's see. It's kind of big. Oh, they give you an extra foam. I'll show you for what. See, the foam is right there. So, take that. Oh, okay. You just go like that. All right, so you take that out. You put sunscreen in here. Okay. Maybe I'll bring it to the beach. And then you put this back. And then apply after putting the roller ball back. Okay, so they have it all. They're squirting the sunscreen inside. And then, I don't know how it comes out. I don't know. I guess, oh, okay. Okay. So the roller ball, it rolls like the deodorant. Okay, so that's how it comes out. I don't know why the sponge is there, but that's what this is. And you can hang it with that little hole. So I will try it, let you know. This is my new little personal fan, and it has three speeds, and it feels great. Look at my hair. Look at my hair blowing. Kind of like a blow dryer. It's like, it looks like the DYSON blow dryers, but it's a little fan. I thought it was the cutest thing. You know, we've been going to so many graduations this past year and the year before, and when you're sitting outside, and sometimes you just need a fan, no matter where you are. Cute, right? I love that. Oh, this is the Real Technique sponge, cleansing sponge, and it's in my bathroom. I'll put a video here to show you. It's excellent. I love it. I use it for the second wash. Like the first is to remove my makeup, and then I put on a moisturizing facial wash. I use whatever I buy in Marshall's, and then soothe, refresh, gently removes impurities, exfoliates both sides. There's two sides. There's a soft side and a rougher side. Infused with probiotics, calms, balances, and promotes hydration. Exfoliating side removes dead skin cells and softens uneven texture. Oh, this one's really cute. See this little pink thing? Oh, it's so cute. Okay, watch this. Look at that. Look what comes out. A dental floss. I love this. So, let's see. I'm not sure how you fill it, but I just loved it. I love it. And then I got this little pen, and there's a little hole so you could put a little string on it, but is that cute? It's cute. It's a pen. It writes. It writes. And it comes in a few different colors. Okay, so this is the magnetic closures that you use so you don't have to fiddle and faddle with opening and closing your necklaces. This is amazing. I buy these all the time because I'm always giving them away. I got them in the silver color, in the gold color. And you just connect it to each end of the necklace, and then the magnetic closure, I'll show you. I know I've showed you on my channel before, on a video, but let me show you. This is just the best. So it has 2 lobster clasps, and you just connect these onto both ends of the necklace, and then there's your magnetic. So when you put a necklace on, put that, and you leave them on. So you buy a lot of them, so you just put them on all your chains. Just put them on every chain you have, so you never have to fumble. And I got these. I got too many of these. These are the best potato peeler slicer. I have like 2 extras. Then, oh, I want to show you about my Maybelline vinyl. It's broke. It's just, it doesn't bring up any color, and something happened to the mechanism. It just doesn't work. Okay, so this I got. This is cute. And what I do is I show all the grandkids, and then I give everybody one. I give them a match each. Here, you each get a match. And the match is a pen. They love it. They go, Grandma, what is that? Where do you find these? I said, everybody gets a match. And they're pens. It's cute. It's cute to give out. It comes 20 in the box. Then I got this. It's called Unrestrained. Smoking kills, but we were born to die either way. That was pretty morbid. But look, it looks like a Marlboro in black and white. You open it up, and you've got, oh, these pretty pink cigarettes. Oh, look at that. Let's see. I think you got 4 different colors. Ooh, so it opens that way. Yep. There you go. How cute is that? I mean, are these like stocking stuffers? Adorable. These are just too cute. Wow. Let's see. And this is the last one. I mean, cute. You could just play cigarette smoking. You know, we used to do that when we were kids. Oh, look at that. Well, I think I need to try one of them on. Let's try the brightest one. Cute, right? Let's see. Let's do another color. Oh, here's the colors. Oh, the colors are on the lipsticks. Look at this. See the colors all displayed on the pink, on the filter. Cute! Ooh, it's so cute! Cute overload here. Then I got this, I don't know why, but these are for arches for your shoes if you've got flat feet. I bought a bunch of these for cologne, perfume, nighttime moisturizer, traveling liquid moisturizers, oils. Yeah, these are glass bottles, and because they're not clear, it'll protect like the vitamin C. Now, if you wanted to put your oils in here instead of having to use a dropper or a pump bottle, look, this is just so easy. You can just go like this. I do this at night and just go like that. Boop, boop, boop. It's really good. And they store well because of the color. So they won't turn the vitamin C rancid or change the integrity of the serum that you put in it. That's why I got the blue or the brown. The brown is good too. Then we have this. This is the box. What is this? Okay, we could plug it in to charge it. And then you put this into a USB port. And where do you see this? Okay. Look at that. Look at that. Cute. Oh, and when it's dark without all these lights, it's really cute. Let's see. It really lights up when you're in the house and you don't have all these lights on. Okay, we'll continue in the next video. To be continued.